Today we'll see about angle calculation. Normally, when you see the drawing, okay, in drawing, this is the origin point. But in previous class, okay, previous class, I had mentioned this diameter 30, this diameter 40, this length will be 5, this is 30. You can easily able to see. What will be the point number 1? Richard?
Point number one is x 0, z 0.
X is 0, Z is 0. What will be the point number 2?
X 30, z 0.
0. Point number 3. This is point number 3.
X 40, z minus 5.
Okay, that's all. Simple. Okay, but if you see in the company diagram, they won't give like this each and every drafting. Okay, this is known as drafting. Say drafting. Drafting means they should give the dimensions. Okay, already I seen in your drawing design also. Company won't give like this. This dia 30. This length will be 5. This is 30. They won't give like this. Instead of this, they will give 45 degree into 3. The overall length 33, and then this diameter will be diameter 40. As compared to previous dimension, the different is here. Previous dimension dia 30, and then this length they are given. But in this diagram, instead of that, they are given dia 40. Here they are given angular 45 degree into 3. So that now what will be the point number 2?
Point number two is 30, I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, 30, maybe 39, 6, 30, 39, x 39, x 39, z 0.
Not at 39. Now, like this, if you see, you have seen in your combined diagram, like this, they will begin 45 degree into 3. You have seen this. When you send it this one diagram, in this diagram also they are given 30 degree into 2, like this they are given. Yes, you have noticed?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, how to calculate this 45 degree into 3? We should find out this diameter. We should find out this diameter. So that what we can do now, you can leave it everything. We'll go for a schooling. When you are completed the schooling, sir?
When? Oh, it's a long time. You know, I don't know, maybe
Long time.
long.
25 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Before 25 years. Now, for this calculation, we have to go to school mathematics. You are hear about that sin theta, cos theta, Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras, of course, yes.
Remember that?
Yes, I remember.
Yes.
Um,
For this calculation, we have to go to that theorem. Now, you are notice in your company, the programmer will be there. he will do calculation with the help of calculator. Always they will be using the calculations. You have seen that.
Yeah, I'm a specialized in always using calculators, so that's why.
Yes.
Yeah.
In every dimension, they will be doing some calculations. They will be using what will be this diameter and what will be the this diameter. They will be doing calculation. Like this,
Hmm.
from today onwards, we'll do the calculation step by step. Okay. Now
Okay.
we'll take this portion. Separator will take this portion. If you notice like this, am I right? This
Hmm.
area
Yes.
I had detail. Now if you draw this line, it's just look like a triangle.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yes.
this just look like a triangle. Now, what is the name of this triangle?
I know it in German is the maybe I can explain it. Uh, three three same triangle. I don't know how to say it, because all these angles are the same. So
I can't able to understand what it's saying.
I say I said maybe I can explain it. I can explain. I don't know the name of
Okay,
it because I can see all three angles are the same.
no.
So it's
Actually, it's not all three sides are not equal in this triangle. Okay, all the three sides will be different. Okay, when the one portion is 90 degree, when this area is 90 degree, okay,
Mhm.
we can say this is a right angle triangle.
Right angle.
Right? Right angle triangle.
Okay.
How will say this is a right angle triangle? Na? This one side will be 90 degree. Okay, that's all. If it's one side, it's a 90 degree, na, we'll say right angle triangle. You are saying equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle will be three sides the same.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
When the three sides are equal, we can say this is an equilateral triangle. But in this diagram, this is a one side which is 90 degree. So that we'll say this is a right angle triangle. Now, what is the similar for this two diagram? This side is nothing but here.
Hmm.
And then, what about this 45 degree? Na? This is 45 degree. Suppose here they are given 30 degree. This portion will be 30 degree. That's all.
Hmm.
Yeah. Next, in this right angle triangle, okay, take in this right angle triangle, three sides are there. What are the three sides? Na? Opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse.
Hmm.
Opposite side, side, and then hypotenuse. Now you can say this is a right angle triangle, three sides are there. These three sides, this is 90 degree, this is 45 degree. Now you can say which is opposite side. For this triangle, which is opposite side?
Opposite side.
This is opposite side. Or this
This
or
opposite side. Now, now the opposite side is this.
is
Now opposite is the
this.
is this. Yeah.
No. Always say longest side. In this right angle triangle, always the longest side will be hypotenuse. Okay, longest
Yeah.
side in the right angle triangle. The concept of the right angle triangle. The longest side, okay, will be hypotenuse, and then this is known as, we'll say theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, we'll say like this theta for 45 degree, which is opposite side of, that is known as opposite side. This opposite side, and then in between the 90 degree and 45 degree, this is known as adjacent. Okay, this is the concept of right angle triangle. Always the longest side will be hypotenuse. In between the 90 degree and 45 degree, this is known as adjacent side. Opposite to theta is, this is known as opposite side. That's all. This is the main concept. Okay, now you can understand 45 degree now. This is 45 degree. And then what is the meaning of this 3? Always the 3 indicates the adjacent side of the plane. This is 3.
Mhm.
As per the engineering drawing, okay, this is known as GD and T, geometrical dimension and tolerance. Now, the worldwide same concept will be followed. That is the advantage of GD and T. Okay. Now we'll say, now in your company you will follow ISO rules. ISO.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Your company
ISO.
will
Yeah.
follow the ISO standard. What is the meaning of this ISO standard?
It's
International level. Standard of international
international.
level. Okay.
Yeah.
And then your company will follow 5S.
Mhm.
Yeah. You are following the 5S
Yes.
rules. What about the Richard? What about Richard? You are following the
Sorry.
5S rules. You are here.
Five,
5S.
five X.
Yeah, 5S.
5X.
5S. Or you are standing the ISO
I'm
standard. You are
I'm
following the
not
ISO.
sure. I don't know.
Yeah.
I
Your
don't know.
company is following ISO standard.
Yeah.
Yes. What is the meaning of ISO? Why we have to follow the ISO now? This is an international level standard.
Yes.
Okay. Like this, if you take GD and T, this is worldwide common. GD and T, geometrical dimension and tolerance. In this GD and T, as per this engineering diagram, 45 degree into 3 means this 3 is nothing but a adjacent side. Okay.
Okay.
So that adjacent side is 3 now. What about this length? This will be 3.
Three.
Okay. Now 45 degree into 3. This 3 indicates here 3. Now this will be 3. That's all. Okay. Now we have find out the length is 3. Similar.
Mhm.
Only this diameter. So that we know adjacent side 3. Okay. We want to find out this opposite side. How to find out
Mhm.
the opposite side? We know adjacent side is 3. We know theta. Theta is 45 degree. We should find out this opposite side.
Mhm.
If you want to find out this opposite side, we should use this Pythagoras theorem. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Just say, we no need to go in depth in this calculations. Just for our engineering diagram, how to calculate this value. That's all. We no need to go to schooling's full mathematics. Just basic about this calculation. Remaining we can go for programming, CNC programming. Okay. Only this
Okay.
class. In this class, we'll see about this calculation. In future, next class, we'll go in depth in the program. That's all. Only this is the main calculation CNC happening. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay.
To find out this opposite side, sin theta, sin theta equal Right? Right. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Equal to and tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side. Now, in this tan, which formula to find out this opposite side? And we can use.
I think we can use
No adjacent side. We
we
know
can
this theta. We should find out this opposite side. Which formula? Opposite.
because we have wait, we have adjective side and what's it? Oh, we don't have this one. I think we can use maybe sinus. No, the first one. Oh,
This first one sine.
no, sign.
Yes, no problem. We can say. Why? Because now, see, for me also, if I go through some programming, I will forget. Why? Because after a long time, if I see this program, I can able to understand anything. Okay, like this. Suppose if you don't know, you don't need to worry about it. I will explain. Okay. Yeah, sure. Sin theta. Of
Mm-hmm.
this formula. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next. We can this formula. Next, we can go for tan theta. We know tan 45 degree. We know adjacent side. So that easily we can find out this opposite side. Okay. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side. Here, tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. The 40 theta is nothing but this 45 degree. Opposite
Mm-hmm.
side we don't. We can say x. Okay. X by 3. This is 3. Adjacent side, the length is 3. Tan 45 degree equal to x by 3. Tan theta value 1. If you put in scientific calculator, what about the value of tan 45? Na? Value will be 1.
What?
1 is equal
Mm-hmm.
to x by 3. So that x is equal to 1 into 3. X is equal to 3. Okay. The value
Mm-hmm.
will be 3. Now, now this distance is 3 and then this is 7. Overall 30. We'll be split it. 3, 27. Now This is 3. We have found that x is equal to
Mm-hmm.
this 3. So that if you take a object, yes, what is, am I right?
Yes.
Yes. This is what? So that what about this diameter? Here 3. This is
34.
bottom is with 3. Okay. So that this diameter will be 34. Yes?
Mm-hmm. What did I say before? I said 30.
This is I
40. Ah, okay. 36.
get 3
Okay.
down is 6. 6 minus
Mm-hmm. 34.
100. Two diameter.
Mm-hmm.
This diameter, this is
This is 3. This is also 3.
yeah, this same figure out. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that this diameter will be 34. That's all. Okay?
Okay.
That's all. So that now you can one. What will be the point number 1?
X 0. Z 0. Yeah.
Point number
On X 34. Z 0.
yeah.
X 40. Z minus 3. X 40. Z minus 30.
See, to find out this value, we are using tan theta. That's all. Yes, it's clear.
It's clear.
Yeah, sure. You can take this notes. I will give homework. You should do calculation and send to me. Fine?
Okay.
Sure. You can take this note.
Okay.